ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि। परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अहिवन् Hello.
Yes, G.
Is it audible?
Not audible, G.
Yes,
Now
it's audible. Yes, I don't know.
Sir, I
Pralag
Ong I ouch Ayavarad
Ayavarad
Lan Nyamangananam
Nyamanganam
Jabhai
Jabai
Khadhadash
Gadadash
Jabagadhadash
Gadadash
Kapha Chathatha Chatatau
Chatato
Kapai
Kapai
Shashasar
Shashasar
Hal
Hal
Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani
Iti
Maheshwarani
Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha
Visarjaniyanam Kantaha
इचुयशानां तालु
Yashanam talu.
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
Rudrashanam murdha.
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
Ritulasanam
Dantaha.
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
Upadmanyanam ushto.
न्यामाङ्गानानां नासिका च
Nyamanganam
Nasikacha
nasikacha.
एदैतो गोकण्ठतालु
Edaito
Kanchatalu
kantatalu.
ओदौ तो गोकण्ठ ओष्ठम्
Udauh
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
Pakarasya danta ushtam.
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
Jihvamuliyasya jihvamulyam.
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
Nasika anusvarasya.
अमोराजमनिः सदा विजयते
Ramo Rajamani sada vijayate.
रामं रमेशं भजे
Ramesham bhaje.
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
Ramaya tasmai namaha.
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
Ramanasti parayanam parataram.
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
Ramasya dasosmyaham.
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
Rame chittalaye sada bhavatu me.
ओ राम मामुद्धर
O Rama Mamuddhara.
Just revising all these shabdas, we have done all the pullinga. I think Strilinga we have to do. We'll do the shabda. All the shabdas you're supposed to know by heart now. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha
Akarantaha strilingaha Rama shabdaha.
Rama Rame Ramaha
Rama Rame Ramaha.
Ramam Rame Ramaha
Ramam Rame Ramaha.
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramabhihi
Ramaya Ramabhya Ramabhihi.
Ramayai Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha
Ramayai Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha.
Ramayaha Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha
Ramayaha Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha.
Ramayaha Ramayoho Ramanam
Ramayaha Ramayoho Ramana.
Ramayam Ramayoho Ramasu
Ramayam Ramayoho Ramasu.
He Rame He Rame He Ramaha.
He Rame Ramaha.
The Shabda is enough. All the Shabdas you need to know by heart. Please memorize if you don't know. Noise is Lataji from your side, I think. Fan noise on. That's why keep the mic in mute. Okay. I keep chanting this Shabda, not for my sake. It's for you to do some homework. In fact, a lot of other Shabdas I need to teach, but it all depends on you, how you pick up of. I'm doing class at a very slow pace. Okay. Class at a slow pace. So you need to do some homework, then only you can understand. Otherwise, it's difficult. We cannot move forward, and you will find my this teaching maybe fast. In the curriculum, if you come and study, do the 3 years course. In 3 years, that what you study for 12 years, it is compressed. The whole Ashtadhyayi is taught. Starting from the Akshara up to the Ashtadhyayi. You can imagine how much effort you have to put into learn Sanskritam. Without prayatna, without effort, it is not possible. Right away, I'm saying. I'm not discouraging. I'm just saying. This Sandhi, it's not a difficult topic. This Asandhi itself I've taken for so many classes. Then after that only making sure that you understand that only this. If suppose you are going to participate in the curriculum course, the teaching will not be like this. The Sandhi, Achandi will be just for 2 classes over. Then we move on to the Visarga Sandhi. Sandhi topic will be covered in just maybe 15 days or maximum, if at all, if it's difficult, 1 month, that's all over. The whole Sandhi topic is over. You can imagine how much that preparedness is required. Our class is only weekly once. Definitely you can spend some time every day. Spend some time every day, and recordings available. In spite of all this, if you are not doing, then you tell me what can I do, because I get message. You get messages like this. It's difficult. Age-wise, it's difficult. That is different thing. There is no complaint about that. Okay, I don't have any. In fact, no complaints. But if you have interest, then you have to do homework. And I'm not going at a fast pace also. Presenting this Sandhi as systematically as possible at a pace which you can pick up. Asking you to directly participate in the class. Each one of you participate, you answer. So that I will come to know where you do the mistake, and I can correct. The mistake is corrected. With correcting the mistake of one student, then other students also will know. It's not only for that student. Everybody knows what mistake they are doing, and they can correct and learn. Okay. So the same Sandhi, what I taught in the last class, we will see again. We will see again. And if you have doubts with regard to that, please ask. But the topic has to be understood clearly. Okay. Without background, I can just simply say that in the Shutta Sandhi, Visarga becoming Sakara, and all, just simply I can say, but that will not do. I'm saying why it is, why it happens. If something else come, what will happen? All the possibilities I'm saying. Okay, so that when you do Sandhi Karya or Sandhi Vicheda, it must be very clear. Let's be very clear. Otherwise, simply learning the rules, that for the beginners, maybe it is okay, fine. That is one way of teaching, but I don't teach that way. I give the whole background, how this Visarga, in fact, how it is born. So knowing the background, because the background is required for further study. It is not that we are going to stop the class only with Sandhi Prakaranam. No. After that, this other topics are there, language is there. So it is all the way it is there. So the background, assuming that Ashtadhyayi must be the aim, the grammar, advanced grammar must be the aim. So keeping in that mind only, the background, the basis for that it is given. How Visarga is born. Visarga is born from Sakara, and that is not, you will not see, they will not teach you. For the beginners, they will not teach all those things. In fact, we are not beginners also. They have come a long way. So you know how it is. So when idea is given, when some background idea is given, then you know how it is. That is why I taught that very elaborately, that Visarga started from Visarga Sandhi. From Visarga Sandhi, how that Visarga undergoes changes. Okay. But you need to do some homework. You see, follow the recording. If not clear, follow the recording. You ask in the class. I asked so many times whether you understand, right? Maybe I have to improve my teaching skill also. I'll try. Okay. So
no, Guruji, your teachings are. I don't think we need. You need to be improvised. I think we need to rethink about our practices. Yeah. Namaste. Sorry about that.
okay, just quickly we will see whatever we have seen so far. Swarasandhi, we have seen. I don't know how many of you remember really. Swarasandhi, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, the connection between the Sandhi rules in terms of Utsarga Apavada, in terms of Utsarga general rule, Apavada exceptions. So Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Yen Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, this Ayava Yava Sandhi. These 5 Sandhi rules only I taught. This 5 Sandhis, 5 plus 1, one more is there. That is Purva Rupa Sandhi. 6 Sandhi rules only I taught. That is enough to start with. Pararupa Sandhi and Prakriti Bhava Sandhi, those things we will see later. Now, I'm not going to explain all this Swara Sandhi, just Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, we have seen, Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, then Dirgha will be the Adesha, Ik is followed by Asavarna Ach, Ik will be replaced by Yan, that is called Yan Sandhi, then Avarna followed by H letter, then Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi, it's called Vriddhi Sandhi, Avarna followed by Ach, it is called Purva Parayogastane, Gunaha Adesh, what it's called Guna Sandhi. Okay, anyway, Guna Sandhi, I skipped it. Then H letter followed by H. Then H will be replaced by Ayava Yava, respectively. A, O, I, Ouch, H, Pratyahara, 4 letters are the corresponding replacement. This is not new, already we have seen, just moving forward. Then this optional Sandhi rules we saw, that is Yakara Vakara at the end of the Padam, preceded by Avarna, followed by Ash letter, then it becomes Lopaha, Yakara Vakara becomes Lopaha. At Yakara Vakara, it is born because of the Ayari Sandhi. So that is a connection. I hope you all remember. Okay. Then Padanta Yang followed by Rasva Ach. Then Purva Parayogastane, Kimbavati. Purva letter will be the Adesha. That is, Yang letter will be the Adesha. So this is, up to this, it is Swara Sandhi. I'm not doing Swara Sandhi, I just pick a very quick summary. Now we started with the Visarga Sandhi. Visarga Jananam, or Visarga is born. You should know how it is born. From where this Visarga has come. Visarga has come from Sakara, and Visarga again will become Sakara. Right? And that Sakara, that's the difference between the 2 Sakaras. It is not same Sakara. One is the newly born, other one is the modified, gone under modification and become different Sakara. So Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. How the Padanta Sakara is replaced by Ru. Ru is technical. Technical in the sense you will not find that in the normal Sandhi books. It is only when you study Ashtadhyayi that Ru and all will be known. But I said Ru. You remember Ru is, the content is Repa. Ru, when I say that Ukara is Anunasika Ach, it is Anunasika Ach, therefore it becomes Lopaha. It is not counted. It is not counted, it's a packing letter. The content is only Repa. So Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. When I say Padanta Sakara becomes Repa, it means Padanta Sakara, it is replaced by Ru, and Ru is Repa. The content of Ru is Repa. This is how Visarga is born. Okay. Then this Visarga will become, then Repa. This Repa has become Visarga. Yeah, Visarga is born. Now with the Visarga, then visarga undergoes changes. Now, if the visarga at the end of the padam, visarga at the end of the padam, that is one thing, or when followed by the kar letter. Okay, when I said visarga, okay, this padanta repa, that padanta sakara becoming ru is repa. It has to become visarga. Now, how it becomes visarga? That is said here. Okay, that is said here that padanta repa becomes visarga. When it becomes visarga, at the end of the padam, it becomes visarga. Number one, that is A. B is that repa, when followed by kar letter, becomes visarga. This is what visarga is. So sakara becomes repa, and repa becomes visarga. This is his sequence, the order. So the previous slide is padanta sakara. Padanta sakara becomes repa, and this repa further undergoes changes. It becomes visarga. When it becomes visarga, when this repa at the end of the padam, or repa followed by a kar letter, it becomes visarga. Now this visarga which has come, at the end of the padam, nothing will happen. It will remain as it is. At the end of the padam or avasana, at the end, that is avasana means not followed by anything. The pause, it remains as it is. Now the visarga which has come in the place of repa, because it is followed by kar letter. Now the same visarga, again, the kar letter follows. Therefore, it undergoes changes. That is visarga which is born from repa, the repa born from sakara. Now that visarga, when followed by kar letter, because followed by kar letter only, that visarga has become repa. That you need to know it clearly. Because followed by kar letter, it has become, repa has become visarga. Now the same visarga followed by the same kar letter, what will happen? Again it will become sakara. Therefore it looks as a cycle. But this sakara is different from that sakara. Therefore it is not even a cycle. So visarga followed by kar letter. Now what happens? It is replaced by sakara. Visarga is replaced by sakara. This is the flow. The flow must be very clear. Padanta sakara becoming ru, and ru is repa. Then that repa at the end of the padam becomes visarga, and that repa followed by kar will become visarga, and that repa which followed by kar, that visarga the visarga is that visarga will be replaced by sakara again, because it is followed by kar letter. So now sakara has come. Up to this, we have seen previous classes many times. Now this sakara undergoing change, that is only we are discussing. The sakara, now in the place of visarga, sakara has come. The sakara then followed by kar letter, what will happen? Kar letter, I have divided into three categories and all. To make you understand, divided into three categories, and I showed you that like that. But that's for your understanding. Once you understand the category and all, you throw it, not required. It is all mithya, like Vedanta, it is mithya. Only for your understanding, I took it like that. Three category, I split into that. So now this kar letter is divided into, not divided. Within the kar letter, shar letter is there. The shar letter is a subset of kar letter. That is what it's shown inside. Shar letter followed by kar letter. Kar letter, 13 letters are there. And the 3 letters among them are shar letters. So it is a subset. So what will happen? What will happen to this sakara when followed by this kar letter? Kar letter, which includes shar also. But when shar happens, what will happen? That is the replacement of visarga by sakara. That is optional. That is why it is shown like this. It's as a subset of kar letter. Shar letter as a subset of kar letter. So shar is a subset of kar letter. Now what happens? Visarga followed by this shar letter. We said it is replaced by sakara. Shar is a subset of kar letter. So therefore, visarga replaced by sakara. And within kar letter, it is a shar letter. Shar is a subset. Therefore, replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. Therefore, you will have two forms. Visarga followed by Shar letter will be replaced by Sakara optionally. Therefore, you have two forms. Right? And Shar letter is over. Now, Kar letter you take. Visarga followed by Kakara or Kakara, the first two letters of the first class. Hard consonants, Katora Vinchanani. What will happen? That Visarga remains as it is, or replaced by Ardha Visarga.
Sharanji,
Yes.
I just have one doubt. In Shar letter, we have the Shakara, Dantya Shakara, and the Murdanya Shakara, right? So in that, if it is Sakara, it remains as it is. But if it is Dantya Sakara, I mean, if it is the Murdanya Shakara or
whatever it may be, the Shar letter is there, Visarga remains as it is optionally.
okay.
You have seen the last class example.
Yeah. So I have
Ramaha
a doubt in the
Sarati.
Murdanya Shakara, if it follows. That's what
Murdanya Shakara follows, what will happen? Visarga will remain optionally as it is. Ramaha Shashtaha. Then?
And it will be the same Murdanya Shakara, right?
It remains optionally. Visarga replaced by Sakara optionally. Either Visarga may continue or Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Okay. If Visarga is replaced by Sakara, then we should not stop there. We have to continue. Do the Chutva Sandhi. That is what I taught in the last class. The last class topic was Chutva Sandhi topic. Once you replace Visarga by Sakara, depending on what letter follows, Sakara undergoes changes. The various changes happening to Sakara, that's what I presented it as succeeding contact and preceding contact. By that, the Sakara undergoes changes. Okay. Now, let us continue this. This is only a summary of what we have seen long back. Okay. Nothing new here now. Now, Visarga followed by Kakara or Kakara. Visarga remains optionally as it is, or replaced by Ardha Visarga Jikva Muliya. This is one set of Kar letter. Then Pakara or Pakara. Visarga followed by that. The first two letters, either of the first two letters of the fifth class. Oshtya Vyanjanani. Then Visarga remains optionally. It means it remains optionally or it can be replaced by Ardha Visarga Upadmaniya. So four Kar letters, and Shar letter also it is done. Then Visarga followed by this Chakara, then Sakara comes in the place of Visarga, right? So this changes happening to the Visarga when followed by Kar letter. Among the Kar letter, when Shar letter follows, replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. In other case, that is Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, it is replaced by Ardha Visarga. In the third case, Sakara must come. These are the three categories which I presented. Now, okay, Takara, then also Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Now, Sakara has come. Okay, among the other Takara, or Takara, or Chakara, in all this space, Visarga is must be replaced by Sakara. When you do Sandhi, it must be replaced by Sakara for this 6 Kar letters. Yeah.
Guruji, any special, why the two when preceded by Sakara, two will not be replaced by Chu? It's a rule or any particular reason for this?
We have not seen that so far, so we will come to that. Yeah. What's the doubt, Priyaji?
No, see, the slide I saw, Takara is replaced by Sakara. Is it not the Shakara? Murdanya Shakara?
First you have to replace it by Sakara, then only Shakara.
Oh, okay.
Directly it will go.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay, now the next one is, okay, the slide is moving fast. So you are skip that this slide. Now the Sakara has come. Now the next rule what we saw in the last class was Stutva Sandhi. That is Sakara or Tavarga letter undergoing change. The change which this Sakara and Tavarga undergoes. Right?
Yes.
So, okay, up to this, it must be clear. Up to the previous slide.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guruji.
Now Sakara has come. Okay, Sakara has come. Now this Sakara will undergo further change when it is followed by Takara or Takara, Takara or Takara, or Chakara or Chakara. Sakara will undergo change. When it is followed by Takara, Takara, this will not undergo change. I just said it doesn't undergo any change because Takara, Takara, and Sakara all are what letter? Dantya letter. Therefore, when Visarga is replaced by Sakara, that Sakara will not undergo further any change because the following letter is Takara or Takara, which is Dantya, remains as it is. Whereas the Visarga, when it is replaced by Sakara, and the following letter is Takara or Takara, it undergoes changes because the following letter is Murdanya. Now, once Visarga is replaced by Sakara, because the Kar letter Takara, Takara follows, that Sakara will undergo further change. That is what the next topic is, Chitta Sandhi. This is what question you asked, Priyaji. Then the previous one was Chakara, Chakara. This is called Chitta Sandhi. This is covered under Chitta Sandhi. See the two Sandhi rules. This is covers under Chitta Sandhi. This is covered under Chitta Sandhi. Now the Visarga now, which is replaced by Sakara because of the following Kar letter, Chakara or Chakara. Now the Sakara will undergo further change because the following letters are palatal and Sakara is dental. So therefore Sakara will undergo change, will become palatal letter. What is a palatal letter? It is Shakara. That is called Chitta Sandhi. Okay, then now coming back here. Whatever I said, I present in the form of a slide. Okay, I'm not repeating the whole thing. If I think the whole thing, the whole class will go. We have to move forward. I'm not repeating the whole thing. The other things you have to connect to the previous class, whatever you have learned. Now the Sakara has come. Okay, the birth of Sakara. Sakara has come now. That Sakara undergoing change we are going to see. Not only Sakara, we can include Tu also. Tu means Tavarga letter. Now this Sakara and Tavarga, Sakaraha and Tavarga letter, depending on its contact with Shakara or Chavarga letter. Depending means what? Either it can precede or it can succeed. That's called preceding contact, succeeding contact. So you see Sakara and Tavarga letter alone. From that standpoint alone, you have to see the letters, the following or preceding letter. That is why it is marked in red color. From here only, I will start explaining in detail. Up to the previous one, I just summarized whatever we saw. From here only, we will see in detail. Now, the Sakara and Tavarga, the focus is on the Sakara and Tavarga, which is marked red color, which is preceded by, that means preceding contact, preceded by Shakara or Chu. How many possibilities are there? Sakara can be preceded by Shakara, number 1. Sakara can be preceded by Chu, Chavarga letter, number 2. So with reference to Sakara, 2 possibilities, 2 preceding contact. Then 2 you take. So with reference to 2, Shakara can precede. With reference to 2, Chavarga can precede. So how many possibilities? 2 plus 2? 4. What contact? It is preceding contact. In both the in all the 4 preceding contact possibilities, what will happen to Sakara? Sakara is a weak element. That will become Sakara being what? Being Shar letter. It has to be replaced by Shar letter. Sakara must be replaced by Shar letter. It is replaced by Shakara. Sakara is replaced by Shakara. And Tavarga is there. Tavarga is replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. So Sakara will become Shakara, Tavarga will become Chakara. In 4 possible preceding contexts. This is line number 1. Is it clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes.
Line number 2. Line number 2, you see. Sakara Tavarga, that is followed by Shakara or Chavarga, succeeding contact. Here also 4 possibilities are there. Sakara is followed by Shakara, number 1. Sakara followed by Chavarga, that is number 2. This is with reference to Sakara. Then Tavarga followed by Shakara, number 3. Tavarga followed by Chavarga, number 4. 4 possibilities are there, succeeding contact. In this, such possibilities also, Sakara will be replaced by Shakara and Tavarga will be replaced by Chavarga. So 4 plus 4, how many possibilities? 8 possibilities. Among the 8, 4 preceding, 4 succeeding. In all the cases, Sakara replaced by Shakara, Tavarga replaced by Chavarga. Is it clear now?
Yes. Sorry.
Now this Sakara, that's what I've written. Sakara or Tavarga, when contact with Shakara or Chavarga, will be replaced by Shakara or Chavarga. Always Sakara will be replaced by Shakara, remember. And always Tavarga is replaced by Chavarga. Okay. Even Tavarga, when it is in contact with Shakara, Tavarga will be replaced by Chavarga only, not Sakara. If that confusion is there, remove it. Sometimes you may think like that also. Tavarga in contact with, whatever may be the contact, preceding or succeeding, when it is in contact with the Shakara or Chavarga, Tavarga will be replaced by Chavarga only. Similarly, Sakara in contact with the Shakara or Chavarga letter, Sakara will be replaced by Shakara only, right? The Adesha is Shakara for Sakara, Chavarga for Tavarga. Okay. Adesha is fixed. Now, depending on the contact, this change will happen or may not happen also. When doesn't happen, that is called Apavada, exception. That is called Apavada, exception. So, having presented the 8 possibilities, now we will see when this will happen, when that will not happen. Is it clear?
Yes.
I presented the 8 possibilities. Not that all the 8 possibilities it will happen. In some possibilities, it will not happen. That is what we are going to see. Okay. Up to this, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So, just quickly we'll see. Last class, whatever I explained, now the same thing is presented in this file. Okay. Now we will see one by one. 8 possibilities you have to remember. Succeeding contact 4, preceding contact 4. So Sandhi in one, when I presented as I presented like this, so all the possible, the Utsarga and Apavada, everything is covered. So you will see many rules are covered in one shot when this background is understood. So changes happening to Sakara and Tavarga when it contact with Shakara or Chavarga. That's the topic. That is called Chutva Sandhi. We call it by the name Chutva. What is Chutva? In Chutva, Shakara is there, Chavarga is there. So Shakara and Chavarga is the Adesha in the place of Sakara and Tavarga. So Sandhis are named after Adesha. Therefore, it is called Chutva Sandhi. So when I say Chutva Sandhi, you have to remember Sakara replacement by Shakara, Tavarga replacement Chavarga. That is called Chutva. Similarly, we have Shtutva that we will see. Sakara, Tavarga in contact with Murdhanya Shakara and Tavarga letter. That is the next topic. First, let us understand this very clearly. Rule number, first the rule is Stu. When I write Stu, you have to understand. Stu is Sakara and Tavarga. Okay, Stu means Sakara, Tavarga. So when I say Stu, understand it represents this Sakara and Tavarga letter. This is how the Panini Maharishi uses. Doesn't mention Sakara, Tavarga. You will not write like that. You will just say Stu. Means you have to understand. It is Sakara and Tavarga. When it is in contact with Stu, what is Stu? Shakara and Chavarga. Then Stu will be replaced by Stu. Stu will be replaced by Stu. That is what I said so far. Sakara replaced by Shakara, Tavarga replaced by Chakara. The rule is simply like this. This much only we will say. Stu in contact with Stu, Stu will be replaced by Stu. Stogos tunas chuhu. Sutra. Simple. I have presented this preceding contact, succeeding contact, and 8 possibilities. In Sutra, Panini Maharishi doesn't present like that. It just simply say Stogos tunas chuhu. Whatever I said, elaborated in one or two classes, the whole thing, everything is condensed in the form of a simple sutra. That's all. You have to expand it to understand. That is what I did. I expanded, and presented in the 8 possibilities. But henceforth, I will use only Stu and Stu. You have to follow. Stu in contact with Stu. Stu will be replaced by Stu. Okay. It covers all the possibilities. Now, the exception. First, we have to know the exception. When this will not happen. When Stu is preceded by, when not Stu, when Tu, only Tu. Tu means Tavarga letter. When Tu is preceded by Shakara, Stutvam will not happen. What does it mean? Stutvam will not happen. What does it mean?
It will not be replaced by Chu.
Which will not be replaced by, which is the Adesha, which is a Stani.
No, the two will not be replaced by Shakara or
Tu will not be replaced by
Chu.
Chavarga.
Chu is the
or
Adesha.
Shakara, anything.
Tu is
No,
the
no.
Stani.
Not anything. Tu will not be replaced by Chu.
Chu.
Any Tavarga letter. Tu means any na, any of the 5 letters. When this Tu is preceded by Shakara, it means Shakara before any of these 5 letters, then the Tavarga letter will not be replaced by Chavarga letter. That is an exception. So, what contact? Preceding contact, right? In preceding contact, one possibility is removed, not possible. Chuttam will not happen. Understand? So now it has become 7 possibilities only, right? 8 minus 1, 7. So when Tavarga letter alone, not Stu, only Tavarga letter followed, preceded by, not followed, preceded by Shakara, then Chuttam will not happen. Example, we are going to see. We'll see that example. First, you understand this. Tu is the Stani, and the Adesha is Chu, Chavarga letter. That will not happen. When Tu is preceded by Shakara will not happen. Okay. That's what it says. That's what I put it in the slide also. Tu, when preceded by Shakara, Tu will not be replaced by Chu. This is the exception for Stutta Sandhi. So 8 minus 1, 7. So 7 possibilities. That is what we are going to see. The 7 possibilities only the preceding contact, succeeding contact, all those things come. Now let us take one by one. Succeeding contact. When succeeding contact means what? When Stu is in contact with succeeding Chu. Stu followed by Stu. Stu followed by Stu means how many possibilities? 4. That is Sakara followed by Shakara, Sakara followed by Chavarga, Tavarga followed by Shakara, Tavarga followed by Chavarga. 4 possibilities are there. That's what they say. 4 possibilities, what will happen? This will happen. Stuttam will happen. The exception is only when it is preceded by. That we will see in the preceding contact. Okay. So now Sakara or Tavarga, when followed by Shakara or Chu, Sakara replaced by Shakara, Tavarga replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter.
Varga.
Now you will see the possibility number 1 with the example. Sakara in contact with Shakara. First thing we will take that. We will take Sakara. With reference to Sakara, what are the succeeding contact possibilities? Sakara can be in contact with Shakara or Tavarga letter. That's what we are going to see first. So now Sakara in contact with Shakara. What will happen to Sakara? Sakara will become Shakara. How this Sakara has come? Okay, let me go back and ask how this Sakara has come.
Visarga followed by
Visarga.
Shakara.
Visarga followed by Kar letter, and Kar letter also any Kar letter. So Visarga, in the place of Visarga, this Sakara has come, and that Sakara undergoing further change. When it is followed by Shar letter, what will happen? So the Visarga, this Visarga will remain as it is, or it is replaced by Sakara optionally. When it is replaced by Sakara, then further changes happens. That is the sequence. Understand? Now take the example. Shishuhu plus Shete. Visarga is there, which has come in the place of Sakara. Why Visarga has come?
Shete is Kar letter.
Because Kar letter Shete follows. Therefore, Kar letter follows, Visarga has come. And within Kar letter, what is this letter?
Shar letter.
Shar letter. Therefore, Visarga can remain as it is. That is one form. Or Visarga is replaced by Sakara. When it is replaced by Sakara, now you see the contact. Sakara followed by what?
Shakara.
That's what they are saying. Shutta Sandhi will not happen. Shutta Sandhi will happen or not?
It happened.
Yes. Because Sakara is in contact with Shakara. Therefore, Sakara is replaced by Shakara. We cannot leave the Sandhi here. You have to do the next Sandhi and get the form Shishushete. If you do the Sandhi, you have to complete it. You cannot stop here. You have to note it. Once you replace Visarga by Sakara, because of the Kar letter following Shar letter, then remember you must apply the subsequent rule. Sakara is in contact with Shakara, therefore replace it by Shakara. Therefore, Shishuhu Shete is one form where the Visarga is retained as it is. The second option, Visarga is replaced by Sakara and Sakara further changes to Shakara because Shakara follows. Shishuhu Shete. This is number 1 possibility. Understand this?
Yes.
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji.
You have to do homework. Okay. Homework means you have to think. What I said, you have to make that very clear in your mind. What to do. 1 week, if you don't do, just attend the class, you will not understand anything. Whatever you learned, again, it is relearning. That will not happen. You have to write it. Whatever is there, you have to write it. One time you write it, you will understand. Then the second one, Sakara in contact with Chu. What will happen? Again, Sakara is replaced by Tavarga or Shakara. Chavarga or Shakara.
Shakara.
Remember, don't think that Sakara will be replaced by Chavarga letter. Always Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. Always Tavarga will be replaced by Chavarga letter. That Adesha Stani, the relationship must be very clear. Okay. There is no crossing there. Now, example you see. Ramaha plus Chatraha. Here Ramaha Visarga has come. How the Visarga has come?
Followed by
Either at the end of the Padam or followed by Kar letter.
Kar letters.
Because we are going to do Sandhi, therefore we can take followed by Kar letter. Therefore, in the place of what Visarga has come?
Sakara.
Sakara.
Repa, not Sakara. Sakara has become Repa. In the place of Repa, Visarga has come. Okay. Right?
Yes.
In the place of Repa only. Sakara was there. Sakara
Society.
became replaced by Ru. Ru is Repa. Right? Repa only becomes Visarga. So therefore, Sakara is original. But immediately you have to say Repa. Understand?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
It
Yes,
is Repa. In the place of Repa only Visarga has come. Now, Visarga has come. Now the Visarga again followed by what letter? Kar letter.
Kar letter.
In fact, because the Kar letter follows, therefore only Repa has become Visarga. Now that Visarga again followed by the Kar letter undergoes changes. What changes will go? Sakara.
Sakara.
Now Sakara is in contact with what letter?
Chavarga letters.
Chavarga. You have
Chavarga.
to see Chakara as a Chavarga letter. See how you look upon the letter now changes. Previously, you looked upon this Chakara as a Kar letter. Therefore, in the place of Repa, Visarga has come. Now, this Visarga is followed by Kar letter. Again, you are looking upon this letter as a Kar letter. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Now, this Sakara is in contact with, don't say Kar letter. You have to look upon this as Shavarga letter. Your vision has to change. Okay. This perspective has to change when you come here. You have to see it as Chavarga letter because you have to remember that this is a rule. Stupta Sandhi means Sakara in contact, Stu is in contact with Stu. Therefore, Sakara now it is in contact with succeeding contact, succeeds. That is Chavarga succeeds. Therefore, what will happen to Sakara? Will it be replaced by Chavarga letter?
Shakara.
Shakara. Sthani is Sakara, Adesha must be Shakara only. Therefore, Ramas Chatraha. When you do Sandhi, this is a form. Again, you cannot stop here. Ramas Chatraha is saying that you cannot stop. You have to continue, complete it. Now, these are the two possibilities succeeding contact for Sakara. Now, in the succeeding contact, understand this.
Yes,
Now, the Tavarga letter you see. Tu, what will happen to Tu when it is followed by Shakara or Chavarga? That is what we are going to see now. Now, Tu followed by Shakara. What will happen to Tu? Will be replaced by
Chavarga.
Chavarga letter. You can see the example. Sat plus Shaktihi. Here, Sat. What letter is that?
Tavarga letter.
Tavarga letter. It is in contact with
Shakara.
Shakara. What will happen to Tavarga letter now?
Two letters.
Replace it by corresponding. Therefore,
Guruji, you told that if any two plus Shakara, then it will not happen. It will not be
you think
Preceding,
what did I,
no?
what did I say?
preceded.
Preceding, not succeeding. When it is preceding, here it is succeeding, right?
Yeah.
That's different. That we will see. It's going to come later. But Sakara is preceded by. Okay, there it is different. Here Shakara succeeds. Succeeding content we are saying. So what will happen to Takara becomes Chakara. Therefore, Sat Shaktihi you get. The second example you see. Bhagavat plus Shakti. Same. Tavarga in contact, succeeding contact with Shakara. Therefore, here also replaced by Shakara. Then 2 plus 2. Now, Tavarga in contact with Chavarga letter. What happens here? Sat plus Chit. Tavarga in contact with what letter?
Chavarga.
Don't say E. Okay, E is not the first letter.
Chavarga.
Chakara plus E. To contact with Chavarga letter. What will happen to Tavarga letter? That Takara?
Corresponding 2 letters.
Therefore, Sachit. Similarly, Suhrut plus Jagama. Dakara is what letter? It is Tavarga letter.
Tavarga letter.
Not that every time Takara must be there. Any of the Tavarga letter can be there. Even it can be Anunasika letter also. Nakara also can be there. Okay, remember. Even when Nakara is there, you have to apply this Sandhi rule. Tha, 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 na. Any of the 5 letters. That's called Tavarga letter. Here dakara is the third letter, which is in contact with what letter? Again,
Chavarga.
Chavarga letter. Chavarga also can be any of the letter. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. What will happen to dakara? Will be replaced by the corresponding. Dakara being the third letter. Therefore, it must be replaced by the third letter of the Chavarga letter. What is that?
Jakara.
Suhrat Jagama. So all the 4 succeeding contact possibilities are covered, right? So in these cases, Sandhi happens. Sakara replaced by Shakara. Tavarga replaced by Chavarga. That's called Chuptam. Happens or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Guruji, one doubt. In this case, for example, we take Suhrud plus Chit, for example.
Suhrud plus Kaschit.
No, just Chit, starting with Chakara. Suhrud plus starting plus Chit. So in that case, will it be Suhrud or Suhrud? Sorry, Dakara will be placed by Jakara or Chakara?
What is the rule? Apply the rule and see what is the form.
It should be placed by Jakara only.
Then what make you think that it is replaced by Chakara? It means the rule is not understood still. Right?
Sani is the last letter of the first word only.
See, the rule is very clearly said. Tavarga letter will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter when it is in contact with Chu. Then what should become? What should come in the place of Dakara?
Jakara.
That's all. Why the question is any letter I am saying, right? Any Chavarga letter, any Tavarga letter. Then Tavarga letter replaced by corresponding letter. Whichever letter is that Tavarga letter, that must be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. In whichever letter, Chavarga letter is it has contact, right?
Okay.
This clearly understand this. Okay, no confusion in this. Drudha Jnanam is, tell me, yes, what's the question? Any question? Next example, you see Anunasika letter. That's why given the Anunasika. Gunin plus Jana tu. Gunin is what letter? Nakara what letter?
Tavarga.
Tavarga letter. It is
Anunasika.
Anunasika letter. Contact with
Chavarga.
Chavarga letter.
Chavarga letter, any letter. I said Chavarga only. I didn't say specifically Jakara or Chakara. No, I just said Chavarga letter. Chavarga is Chavarga only. Did I say specifically Chakara? No. Any Chavarga letter. Then what will happen to Anunasika letter?
Yeah.
Replace it by the corresponding letter of the Chavarga letter, Anunasika letter, which is, what is that? Fifth letter, which is Nakara. Therefore, Gunin Jana tu. Is it clear?
Yes.
Even if I ask you 2 o'clock midnight, I ask you this Sandhi, you should be able to say it now because so much, I mean, taught very clearly. If it is not clear, then please do homework. Think. Please do homework means I'll give exercise. I'll give a lot of exercise. You can take the first chapter of the Gita itself. There itself, many examples are there. I'll give you some homework. You can do that. Now, succeeding contact done. Now you see preceding contact. Preceding contact means 2 is in contact with the preceding stew. I have written like that, and I have written here very clearly also again. This is called further elaboration. Sutra form, first line. Second line is Sakara Tavarga in contact. What contact? Precede. Preceding contact. That is Shakara or Chavarga precedes. Here only that exception will apply. Okay. In that case, what will happen? Sakara will be replaced by Shakara and Tavarga will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. Now, you can see the first possibility. This is preceding contact. Remember, taking Sakara first. Sakara preceded by Shakara. What will happen? Here, such case examples are not there. That's why I have given Na Sambhavati. Such possibilities not there. If it is there, we will see. I don't think any such examples are there. So therefore, Na Sambhavati I have written. So this is ruled out. When such Sandhi comes, you will see. It doesn't come actually. Because that's the Shakara at the end. Something will happen always to it. So it will not have contact with Sakara. directly, because in between some other rules will apply and will change the shakara to something. Therefore, the examples are not there. Na sambhavati, I said. So that is ruled out. And it is not there. What is the example? No example for that. The next one. Similarly, sakara preceded by chavarga letter. There also no such examples. Because this chavarga letter, what will happen? It will undergo some change and it will not be chavarga anymore. Suppose if it is in contact, suppose if it comes, in both the cases, what will happen? Sakara will be replaced by shakara. Remember that, if it is so. To my knowledge, there are no such things, examples. Okay. So these two are not ruled out in this possibility. If this possibilities come, then also sakara must be replaced by shakara. Okay. Examples are not there. Okay. Understand?
Yes,
Yes,
Guruji.
Guruji.
Yes. Now the next one, that is tavarga in contact with shakara and chavarga. Preceding shakara, preceding chavarga. Now here only the exception will apply. You see, tavarga, now it has contact with shakara, preceding shakara. In that case, what will happen? Tavarga must be replaced by chavarga letter. That is what the rule is. But
Yes.
this said, it will not happen. This is exception. When tavarga, remember, the exception you have to remember. When tavarga is in contact with shakara, what contact? It is preceding contact. That is, tavarga when preceded by shakara, then this chutvam will not happen. That is, tavarga will not be replaced by chavarga. Example, prash plus naha. Here, naha is, what is here? What is the first letter of naha?
Anunasik, tavarga.
Nakara, yes. Tavarga letter, nakara is there. And what is the letter preceding?
Shakara.
Nakara. Now, if you apply Shutva Sandhi, then what will happen? It will become Prashnyaha. There is no word Prashnyaha. Prashnaha is that. That is question. Therefore, Shutva Sandhi doesn't happen. Nakara remains as it is. The form is Prashnaha. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Lataji, this is the apavada. This is the doubt you asked, I think.
Yes, yes.
Then
Now I understood.
it has contact with shakara, preceding shakara, with the preceding contact. Then don't apply Shutta Sandhi. It will not apply. If you apply, you will not have the word Prashnaha. Similarly, another example, Vish plus Naha, the same example. I mean, same thing. It becomes Vishnaha. It will not become Vishnyaha. Nakara will not be replaced by Anunasika of the Chavarga letter. That will not happen. This is the only apavada for this. So you have to know this apavada very clearly. Exception. Then, the next one, last possibility. Tu in contact with chu. What will happen? Tu will be replaced by corresponding chu letter. Example, yach plus na. Nakara is tavarga letter, which is in contact with, preceding contact with chavarga letter. Therefore, what will happen to nakara? Replaced by corresponding anunasika letter. Yajnya, you get.
Yeah.
Similarly, yach plus naha. Naha contact, preceding contact with chavarga letter. Therefore, replace nakara by gnya. Therefore, yajnyaha, you get. The form is yajnyaha. Understand this?
Yes.
This
Yes, Guruji.
Sharanji, I don't get, when do you say Jakara and Chavarga? I mean, that part I'm just missing it. Sometimes you say it is Jakara and sometimes it is a Chavarga. When is that? It is in the...
Both are same. I mean, Jakara is...
Yeah, it is same, but you said you don't use that, but instead don't use Jakara, but use Char. That's where I don't know. I just lost. I got lost somewhere.
Where did you get lost? I don't know. Understand. I used the word Jakara. Jakara, I said, Jakara means it is Chavarga letter. In this context, yes.
Yes, okay.
Then the summary. Quick summary. The summary, that is Sakara in contact with preceding Shakara. Then Sakara is replaced by Shakara. Sakara in contact. Sorry. Sakara in contact with succeeding Shakara. Then also Sakara is replaced by Shakara. Sakara in contact with preceding Chu letter. Then what will happen to Sakara? Replace it by Shakara. Sakara in contact with succeeding Chu letter. Then what will happen? Then Sakara is replaced by Shakara. So 4 Shakara Adesha, among them 2 preceding and 2 succeeding conditions. Now for 2 letter, 2 in contact with preceding Shakara, then it will not be replaced by Chu. This is an exception. Number 5 possibility is exception that you have to note. And number 6, 2 in contact with succeeding Shakara, 2 will be replaced by Chavarga. 2 in contact with preceding Chavarga and succeeding Chavarga, then also it will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. This is the summary of what we have seen. The 5th one is the exception. That is Tavarga when followed by, when preceded. Is Chitta Sandhi clear now?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Ji.
The same thing, this Chitta Sandhi, only when you understand, then we can go to the other Sandhi. The same thing is for the Shtutva Sandhi. When this Sandhi is understood, Chitta Sandhi can be easily understood. Because Chitta Sandhi is same, but it has got 2 exceptions are there. Like here we have 1 exception, number 5. There we have 2 exceptions. I'll just quickly say this. You can go through this. Now, changes happening to Sakara or Tavarga when it is in contact with Murdanya Shakara. Now it changes Murdanya Shakara and Murdanya, the Tavarga letter. What will happen? Same. Sakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara and Tavarga will be replaced by Tavarga letter. That is, when this is called Shtutva, because the Adesha is Shakara and Tavarga, therefore the naming is Shtutvam. This is called Shtutva Sandhi. Shtutva Sandhi, Shtutva Sandhi. When Stu is in contact with Shtu, then what will happen to Stu? Stu will be replaced by Shtu. That is, Sakara replaced by Murdanya Shakara, Tavarga replaced by Tavarga letter. I am saying the exception first, so that the general rule can be understood. This is a general rule already I said, this is a rule. Now, the immediately exception is, that is, again here also the 8 possibilities, 4 preceding, 4 succeeding. In that, when 2 is followed by Shakara, succeeding contact, when 2 is followed by Murdanya Shakara, there we saw in Shtutva, 2 is preceded by Shakara, Talave Shakara. Then Shtutva will not happen. Here, 2 is followed by Murdanya Shakara, then Shtutvam will not happen. Understand? Example, Bhavan plus Shashtaha. You take the example. What is the letter here? Last letter of the first padam. Tavarga letter. Tavarga letter in contact with, succeeding contact with
Shakara.
So Murdanya Shakara follows. Therefore, Sandhi will not happen. Bhavan Shashtaha will remain Bhavan Shashtaha. This is a exception. 1 exception. Here in this Shtutva Sandhi we have 2 exceptions. This is 1 exception. First, this exception you understand. Is it clear?
Yes.
This exception. Then all other possibilities are there. There it will happen. 1 more exception is there. That exception. Okay. That exception 2 only I will say. Exception 3 not required now. That we will see later. Now, Stu is preceded by. Now you see, Stu is preceded by. Now we are taking Stu, both Sakara and Tavarga. When it is preceded by 2, what 2? Padanta 2. It means Padanta 2 means what? Tavarga letter at the end of the padam. Tavarga letter at the end of the padam. That precedes what? Sakara or Tavarga. Then also Shtutvam will not happen. Here the condition is very specific condition. It is Padanta. Okay. If it is Apadanta 2, then Shtutvam will happen or not? it is apadanta, it will happen. It will happen. Therefore, the condition is, you can see the condition. If it is padanta tavarga letter, if padanta tavarga letter precedes, if padanta tavarga letter precedes to, then shtuttam will not happen. Example, Virat. Virat is a padam. Virat is a padam. And the last letter is takara. What takara is that?
Padanta takara.
Padanta takara. Then the next following padam is tapati. What is the first letter?
Tavarga.
Tavarga. Now, with reference to tavarga, you see tavarga preceded by
Tavarga.
and what? Tavarga letter takara. And what takara is that?
Padanta
takara.
Then shtuttam will not apply. If it is not a padanta tavarga, apadanta, then it will happen. But here it is padanta. How you know it is? Don't ask. That we will see. When you see the shabda, you will understand. Now, in this example, Virat plus tapati, here sandhi doesn't happen. Virat tapati. This is exception 2. So exception 1 and exception 2, you understand. In all other cases, this sandhi will happen. Exception number 1 says, when tavarga is followed by shakara, then shtuttam will not happen. Number 1. Example, Bhavan Shashtaha. Exception number 2. When stu, here it is stu. There it is tu, here it is tu. When stu is preceded by padanta tu, then shtuttam will not happen. Clear?
Yes.
These are the 2 exceptions. Third exception, leave it. Not required. I will tell you that later. Now you see the, again, 2 possibilities succeeding in preceding contact. Quickly, I'll go through this. You can read that in your, read that later. When stu is in contact with the shtu, what contact? Succeeding contact. That is, shakara tavarga follows sakara tavarga. Then what will happen? Sakara is replaced by mudane shakara, tavarga replaced by corresponding tavarga letter. Example, you can see Balaha plus Shashtaha. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because the power went off. I don't know whether network is disconnected. Okay. Balaha plus Shashtaha. What happens here? Balaha plus Shashtaha. Anybody? Yes. Here Visarga is there. Visarga has come in the place of
Repa.
Repa. And followed by, why it has come? Visarga has come.
Sakara.
Padanta
sakara.
Kar letter.
Padanta repa or followed by kar letter. Here kar letter follows. Therefore, in the place of repa, visarga has come. Now, the visarga is followed by what letter?
Shakara.
Again, kar letter. Within kar letter, it is a shar letter. Therefore, the replacement of visarga by sakara is
Sakara.
Optional. Replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. Okay. Already we have seen this is not new. So option 1 is Balaga Shashtaha remains as it is. Understand this? This you should remember this. I've been repeating this many times. Number 1. Number 2 is Number 2 is Balaha plus Shashtaha. Again, here, Visarga replaced by Sakara is optional. First one is we have without replacement. Second one with replacement. Replacement by Sakara. Then, now Sakara is in contact with
Shakara.
Therefore, what will happen to Sakara?
Shakara.
Shtuttam
Change into
Bala Shashtaha. This is example for succeeding contact, Shakara. Then, when Sakara is followed by 2, what will happen to Sakara? It is replaced by Murdhani Shakara. Example, Tavargaha plus Tadihi. Here also, when you see the letter, you have to see Visarga has come. Visarga has come in the place of Repa. And because Repa is followed by Kar letter, therefore Visarga has come. Now the Visarga will be replaced by Sakara when followed by Kar letter, we said. Therefore, Tavargas. Up to this, you have to recollect what we have studied. Okay, every time you have to say it, then only it will stay in your mind. Otherwise, every time you have to go back and see. Okay, so Tavargas plus Tadihi. Now Sakara is in contact with what letter? Tavarga letter. Therefore, Sakara is replaced by
Shakara.
You can see Sakara is Dantya letter, Tavarga is Murdanya letter. Therefore, only for the sake of the pronunciation, that's called Sandhi is called euphonic combination. So this pronunciation, it becomes easy. Tavargashtadihi. Because Sakara is palatal, the Dantya, and Ta is Murdanya. So you have to bring the tongue from the dental position to Murdanya. It's difficult. So keeping the tongue in the Murdanya itself, you have to be able to pronounce the combined, the joined word. That is called Sandhi. Tavargashtadihi. Okay. Then the next one. Tavarga in contact with Shakara. What will happen here? Tavarga followed by Shakara. We have seen. What will happen? Stuttam will not happen, exception. Remember that. That's what we said. I said the exception at the beginning itself, right?
Yes.
Tavarga when followed by Shakara. Remember the exception. You have to remember the exception. Don't forget. It's what I said in the beginning. When Tu is followed by Shakara, then Stuttam will not happen, right?
Yes. Here in succeeding, we are having that exception. Correct, Ji?
Yes.
Okay.
So Tu followed by Shakara, then what will happen? Nothing happens. That's why you given like this, yellow color. So Bhavan Shashtaha. Then Tu followed by Tavarga letter. What will happen? Here change will happen. Tavarga will be replaced by corresponding Tavarga letter. Example, Bhrigat plus Tika. Tavarga letter followed by Tavarga letter. Therefore, Takara is replaced by corresponding Tavarga letter, which is Takara. Therefore, Bhrigat Tika. The form you get. So succeeding contact is over. Then preceding contact, that also quickly I will complete. It is just 5 more minutes. That is, when Stu is in contact with preceding Stu, what will happen? Then why it is not the, because Murdani Shakara will undergo change and you will not see the Sakara having contact with Murdani Shakara. That preceding contact, you will not see such example. Therefore, Udahanam Nasti. Similarly, Sakara preceded by Tavarga also, examples not there. So 2 possibilities are ruled out. Then the next one is Tavarga letter in contact with, preceding contact with Shakara, not Shavarga, Shakara.
Breaking.
Tavarga.
You're breaking
Your
up,
voice
Sharon.
is...
Is it all right now? It is okay, net problem.
Oh, yeah. There was a pause.
Okay.
Maybe.
These two I have told you, Udahanam Nasti. Was it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Then third one,
Same
that is
like
number
Stu.
C. That 2 preceded by Shakara. For that example is Akarish plus Taha. Here Tavarga letter is there, preceded by Murdani Shakara. Therefore, Tavarga letter is replaced by corresponding Tavarga letter. Therefore, you get the form Akrishtaha. Okay. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Guruji.
Now the last possibility, that is Tavarga in contact with 2. Here I have marked in a different color. Why? Because if it is the Padanta 2, then Shtuttam will not happen. If it is Apadanta 2, then only Shtuttam will happen. Okay. That example that we will see. That we will see in the next class. Okay. This last one. If it is Padanta 2, then Shtuttam will not happen. If it is Apadanta 2, then only Shtuttam happens. So for that, I have to explain the exception number 3. Here in this, exception 1, exception 2, and exception 3 is that. Exception 3 is exception to exception number 2. What is that? That we will see the next class. Up to this, you please prepare yourself. Okay. Up to this, it's very simple. It must be simple. Not very simple. I think I have made it simple. I don't know. So the third exception that we will see. We will see that in the next class. Okay, so we stop here. Sorry for prolonging the class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Thank you, Sharan.
Harihi Om Ji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Harihi Om
ಗುರುಜಿ.
Ji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ.